So we out here. See what's going on. Back back at the stove. Back at the stove. About to go, bro. About to go, bro. That's what I need right here to prevent this. Goddamn elbow pad there. Yes, sir. So we're gonna jump to the GoPro footage now. You did. So we back in the dirty garage, of course, and I'm about to go ahead and change these brakes, clean my filter. Oh my God, I'm about to let you see it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I have over here my tools and utensils that I'm about to use to do this job. I got the brake already loose. I got to pop it off, put new pads in, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this filter in this mixture real quick. You did. So yeah, man, tap in, stay in, watch in. You know what I'm saying? 125, baby, we back, man. I ain't going nowhere. We're gonna keep rebuilding, going up, keep continuing to like, keep continuing to follow, keep continuing to show your buddies. I appreciate you guys, for real. Big love. Alright, welcome to the Shout at Big Nose view. So yeah, man, I got my dirty filter right there. Here I go, I got my cleaner, I got my brake pad. Already loosened that up right there. So yeah, first we're gonna go ahead and just let the concoction do its thing while I do these brake pads. I got my water already been sitting down there. A little warm water in there, y'all. Y'all ain't gotta get it boiling. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of water in there. Stir the juices up. This thing is, look at it. This thing is supposed to be lime green, y'all. You see the inside? Yeah. We're gonna submerge that in there. Squeeze it a little bit. We're gonna let that do its thing. We're gonna throw that in there. Fuck it, we're gonna throw the screw in there. All that. Alright. So, at the same time, I'm doing these brake pads. That coffee keep me going, you know what I'm saying? I already got half of it started. You see right here, that's gonna be right there where this is at. Unscrew it. Boom, it might be a little tight. So what I did was got me a rubber hammer. As that is in there, I got dang tap, 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 tap. It kind of screwed. Tap, 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 tap. Bah, come right out. You did. I did hit it with a little bit of this and let that sit for about 13 minutes. Threw it in there, found the correct size. Boom. I made sure it wasn't stripping. Boom. Felt that it was Gucci. Untwisted it. My socket. We ready to go ahead and pop him and him off. You did. When we do that, we shine them old pads up out of there. And we're gonna go ahead and goddamn throw the new ones in. Chill. Yes, sir. Back to 125 big head view. As you can see, check me out, check me out. Man, stop playing. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. This is what I've been riding out, y'all. That back. Oh my God. But anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and get them up out of there. Go ahead and get them up out of there. July coming up, man. Shout out Caesar, man. Shout out Caesar from Psycho Specialty, Fayetteville, Georgia. Highway 85, right before the quick trip. And down, you'll see it. Anyway, yeah, Caesar invited us to a ride. You know what I'm saying? So man, we're gonna see about taking Caesar up on his offer. So yeah, I gotta get this crap out of here. Look at that, man. Come on, dog. Alright. So now what you wanna do, I just take the old brake pad, open up the bleeder valve, and then I kinda gently press the brake, you know, drums back in. So I can get these new brake pads on, because you know the new ones are way bigger. My dumb ass went to the dirt bike store. Didn't grab no more fluid. So I just wanted to make sure, you know what I'm saying, my pressure built back up and make sure my brake worked right. And then tomorrow, fuck it, I go get some fresh fluid, bleed the back out, bleed the whole front out. At least I know my pressure there. I'ma just flush into the dirty go away until you see it come back through clean again. It's a routine, man. See them air bubbles in there? Down, close. Open up the brake up there, squeeze it, give it some pressure. Pause in between the squeeze, you know. Pump it a little bit more, hold it down, push down, close. Back up top, we squeezing. Try to build up good pressure, nice and smooth, you know. Boom, come back down here, squeeze the lever up top, 2 pumps and squeeze, press, close. Back up here, yep. Found them. Whew. Yes, okay. I don't know why I look at the garage. The water's still warm. I'm wringing it out. I mean, I'm squeezing. Ooh, good ass.
2 hours later.
Yes, sir. So it's day 2, we back, man. Day 2. It took me a nap. We back. Gotta test out the brakes today. Put the new pad, new air filter in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so now he is definitely nice and dry. He's cleaned out, just look ratchet. About time to grab a new one of these too. But you know. So yeah, man, this what we on. You know, the no toil. So anyway, shake it up real good. Gonna get that thing nice and tacky. That big is already going through there. Dripping out to that bottom. It's gonna be stinky, baby. Put that top on, cause if you fall, yes sir. Through there. Nice little squeeze it. You don't wring it. Now remember, we ain't trying to wring it. Just trying to squeeze it in there. The filter gonna be sitting on the rim line. You see? Yes sir. Working it around. See right there for a second. Wipe the hands off. Alright, y'all, we back in here. Got my water because the summertime is hot. The filter is ready. About to go ahead and get them up in there. Maximum grease. What I do is just get a nice amount and I go around that rubber lip. And ain't nothing but a little bit of waterproof grease. That's some damn jets, man. Shit. What we doing is just stop extra bush stuff from getting in there. Easy. That's how you clean your filter and change your brakes. All at the same time. You did that. Alright, gang. So while the YZ loaded up and Gucci goo coming all together, getting ready. You know, if my girl do want to ride it, you know I can't let her ride a cold 4-strokey. So yeah, man, let's warm it up. And at the same time, let's give you some of this footage. Me, give you some of this cinematic movie type, pit bike vibes, you dig? But yeah, we about to get on this and I'm trying to get her on this. So let me warm it up, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Man, I'm on the way, bro. Say that, man. It's up. Okay, yeah. Pick it up. Try right away. Let's do it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Let's do it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm throwing cash up, picking it up off the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the pit with the bottles of Sprite. Pick it up, 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 baby.
I'm throwing cash up. She picking it up off the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm riding the whip with the bottles of Sprite. All that ass on you ain't got me finna break a jet. Get it back, no sweat. All you gotta do is arch your back. Get low, go fast. Big boo, boo, don't matter. 3 bottles gon' meet me in the building. Big rack, no caps over here. I'ma pull this hand. Roll when your blunt get lost in the wind. Shorty still going like cruise control. I ain't doing no towel in. Money up like power and tunnel. Deer stitch all in my. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, yeah. Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shoutin'. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.